All right, so I wanted to make a high-end inspired cement bowl, and you can see they go for a lot at the high-end stores, but we're gonna make ours for real cheap. I'm using a bowl, a drip pan bowl from the Dollar Tree. I couldn't find a bowl to go inside to make the inside, so I'm just making one out of cardboard. I had an extra piece from a cement thing that I had, and then to get the bottom piece of it, I'm just taping some extra cardboard that I had. So you can make your mold shapes yourself if you want to when you're working with cement by using cardboard, just like I did. Taped it up nice and good so it didn't leak through, and that's it. That's going to be the piece that I use for the inside. Like I said, I'm using the drip tray from the Dollar Tree to make this cement bowl, and it's just real simple. I'm going to be using this quick set cement. I'm going to mix it right in the bowl that I'm going to be using for it. I'm going to mix it until it's like a thickish kind of consistency, but not too thick. But once I get the right consistency, I added a little paint to mine once I was done mixing it and everything and stuff, just to try to give it some color. I didn't mix it in thoroughly, but for your cement, you don't have to leave it the color that it is. You can add different things to it. You can paint it afterwards. You can do, whatever you want when you're making your own cement projects. And that's the whole fun part of doing your own DIYs. Once I leveled it out the way I wanted to, I pushed in my little inside cardboard bowl, and then I just tried to straighten out the sides. I don't want it to be perfect because I want it to look, authentic. So I don't want it to be perfect. Before it completely dried, you can wait till it dries because the cardboard is easy to move. But once it partially dried, I just came in and took out the bowl and the inside, and then just still smoothed out some of the pieces on this side. Like I said, I don't want them to be too perfect because I wanted to have that, rough kind of look. But this is how it is at the end. You can see on the part that had the plastic part, it's real smooth, like right there. And then on the inside, it's rough. So I'm just going to sand it out and take away the little tiny chip pieces that are at the top. But this is how it turned out, and I'm super happy with the way it turned out. And it's super big because I used the Dollar Tree drip pan, and I love the way it turned out. Let me know what you thought.